Welcome back to the channel. This your boy SKD. Hey, we got the motor and the frame today. Let y'all boys see under the hood. I know some of y'all already seen it. The ones that haven't. Hey, I got a quick question. I need your help. I have a squeak, and I see this is a common issue with a lot of these brackets. These little brackets right here. I've seen Perch had it recently. He had a squeak. Some other people I've noticed had the squeak. Different videos I watch. I can't name them right offhand. But I don't know what is going on. Maybe I'm not a professional at this or anything like that. I don't claim to be. This is my first run at it, and it could be something simple, or it could be dealing with this bracket. I'm not sure. But if you guys know, please, got any ideas. I know it can be a pulley issue, a bad pulley. It could be, something is not lined up. Everything seems to be lined up to me, as far as the pulleys go. I did purchase a new pulley, one of these, so I'm gonna try that. That's gonna be my first kick at it. Here's the belt that I'm using. Someone did tell me that the belt could be an issue, and I'm not knocking any of that. So there's the tension on the belt. That's an Amazon tensioner. That could be the issue. I really haven't tried to diagnose the problem, but I just noticed the pulley. And if you've seen some of my start videos and stuff like that, I'm always complaining about the squeal that comes from the belt. After the car warms up, pretty much, I want to say, pretty much I only drive it maybe about 15 minutes here or there. My drive time, and I think once it warms up, I want to say the squeaking goes away. But like I said, I haven't taken it on any long trips yet, so hopefully I might do that this weekend. But just want to just put a bug in your ear. If you know anything, point me in the right direction. Help your boy out. I need your help. There's a look. Hopefully y'all can see all of that. My setup, my belt layout and everything. I see some people running a different belt layout, man. I don't know. They got the belt going straight across here to the, but hey, and I mean, to each his own. Hey man, a lot of y'all boys step y'all game up, man. Get a battery tender, man. This thing only gets started on the weekends. We have cold days here and there, so man, get a battery tender, man. Keep your battery charged up, man. You can get solar tenders where they just use the sun if you don't have power right near, or you can get, ones that plug up. So, hey man, keep your battery topped off so you're not stranded nowhere. I'm gonna just go ahead and start it and let y'all boys hear it. Probably won't even do it this time, but yeah. There you have it. I forgot I had the doggone muffler off on this car. I'll let y'all know probably in another video why the muffler is off, but one of my mufflers is off right now. Been working on the car, but yeah, that's it. Hopefully y'all can hear that in the video, the squeaking. But yeah, point me in the right direction, man. Help your boy out if you know anything. And I chime back in. Appreciate y'all.